If you're ready to say bye-bye to Batwings, then this is for you. Hello, gorgeous girl. Welcome back to my channel. And today I've got a workout that I know you're gonna love because it's all about the Batwings. So if you want to tone up your tricep, you want to sculpt some sexy arms, or you just want to feel absolutely fabulous, then this is for you. This is a little sneak peek of a full-length workout that can only be found exclusively inside my fitness membership and system, Total Body Transformation. By now, you have heard me talking about TBT for years. And if you haven't joined us yet, what are you waiting for? I will leave it linked up here and also down below in the description box. We would love to have you join us inside of TBT. And if you like what you're doing here with me on YouTube, you will absolutely love Total Body Transformation. For this workout, you need absolutely nothing. We love that because I'm saving you time and I'm saving you money because you don't have to buy expensive equipment. Without further ado, let's get into it and sculpt and strengthen those triceps. Okay, so let's get started. So you're push down, down. 3, 5, 7, 9, add your torso. 2, 4, 6, that's it. 7, 8, 9, good. And backwards. 2, 4, 6, 7, I feel it. 8, 9, add your torso, and we move, 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 move. 5, 7, 8, 9, good. So thumbs up, pinkies up, nice and slow. Thumbs up and pinkies up, very good. Thumbs up and pinkies up. Keep your elbows high, thumbs up and pinkies up. Now pick it up and thumbs up, up, up. 2, good. 3 and 4, keep on going. 5 and 6, I know your shoulders are on fire, me too. 7 and 8, good. 9 and excellent. Stay here, pinkies up. Oh yes. 3, 5, 7, 9, add your waist, waist. 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so you're gonna go elbows in and reach it out. And squeeze it in, squeeze your belly too, reach it out, that's it. And squeeze it in and reach it out, you've got it. And squeeze and out. So let's pick that up, and in and out, and in and out. 4, 5, we're working all around the arms here. Good, and your shoulders, keep going. 2, 3, and 5, 7, 8, 9, good. So now you're gonna pull it back and pull it back and pull. Imagine you're just taking like a rope and you're bringing it right into your waist. And 6, very good. 7, you've got it. 8, 9. So stay here, just one arm, pull it. And palm is gonna go face up to the ceiling. and up. Now what I don't want to see is that you're scrunching your shoulders. Keep them down your back, keep your neck long, keep your belly pulled in, all good things. Excellent, really squeeze that tricep. Good, other side, here we go. Squeeze it and squeeze it, very good. 3, excellent. 4, keep going here. 5, 6, 7, good. 8, perfect, keep pulling in. 9, we're in it together, tribe. Good, both arms, palms up, really squeeze. Visualize that tricep, that back of the arm working. So the reason why I do so much work with the arms without using the weights is because I really want to create that longer, leaner look, not that big, bulky look. And good, now stay here, palms are up, and you're gonna go side to side with your waist. I know this is a little bit weird. Let's actually just do the waist here, so keep your arms up. Now you're gonna go smack up, smack up, smack up, smack up. Really pull in your belly. We're working your waist too. Okay, I'll turn sideways so you can kind of see what I'm doing here, right? Squeeze, squeeze, all right? I know it's very cool. We look awesome. And squeeze. That's it, squeeze, squeeze. And 8, 9, good. By now, you might know me as the queen of arms. My arm workouts are my most popular workouts here on YouTube. So if you like what you're getting here on YouTube and you want the real deal, then this is your exclusive invitation into my signature program, Amazing Arms, in just 7 days. If you want to say bye-bye to Batwings and feel strong and sculpted and sexy and your most confident you, then you'll definitely want to check out Amazing Arms in just 7 days. And the best part about it is all you need is just 15 minutes a day. So there are no excuses. So I will leave the link up here and also down below in the description box. I'd love to celebrate your success with Amazing Arms next. But if you want to keep hanging with me here on YouTube, make sure to check out this video and I'll see you over there.